Well, the warmth is gone. That was a thing of the past, unfortunately. Now the cold air arrives, and so does winter. 25 degrees, cloudy skies, and those winds out of the west-southwest at 20 miles per hour. Temperatures have been on a free fall since this morning, and warmest readings are towards the east, coldest readings towards the west. 15 in Ironwood at this moment, warming up to 25 by the time we get towards Florence, 24 in Houghton. And then the further east you go, that's where we begin to see a bit more of that warm up. 30 in Escanaba, 32 in St. Ignace. But with those winds coming out of the west between 20 to 30 miles per hour, it's really making it feel more into those teens. So it's all about staying warm and just driving safely, especially with these winds. If you have an SUV, that wind will go under the car and that will cause it to flip over. So really reduce that speed. 22 miles per hour in Munising, 31 in Houghton, 18 in Escanaba. The change in the last 24 hours, especially in the UP and even in parts of the Lake Michigan shoreline, have been drastic. 26 degrees colder in Manistee than it was at this time on Monday. 31 in Ironwood, 18 in Marquette, in Iron Mountain. And then those wind gusts, we have seen wind gusts even up to 70 miles per hour today throughout the state. At this moment, though, 45 mile per hour wind gusts in Grand Rapids, 37 in Oscoda, 33 in Ironwood. And when you factor in those temperatures and those winds, what it feels like outside, feels like -5 in Ironwood, 11 in Marquette. Just feeling brutal, just raw Tuesday throughout the entire Mitten State. So it's all about staying warm and staying safe. We're also going to be dealing with that snow. Heaviest accumulations will be towards the west. We're also going to be dealing with those winds not just for tonight, but also into Wednesday and even into parts of Thursday. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour. And when it comes to those temperatures, that cold air, it's going to just stay intact. It's not moving at all. There's going to be warm air towards the west, cold air towards the east. There's a very big dip in that jet stream. So those gusts throughout the UP from this morning, 71 miles per hour in Keweenaw Point, Ontonagon, Houghton at 59, Hancock at 46. When it comes to those advisories, wind advisories expire at 7 p.m. in the beige color. The winter storm warnings in effect through the Keweenaw Peninsula, those will expire early tomorrow morning, where accumulations could reach up to a foot. And then in the white, which are the winter weather advisories, those continue until tomorrow afternoon, where their accumulations could reach up to 10 inches. And in combination with those winds, really reducing that visibility. So just really rough weather ahead, especially from Ironwood all the way towards Houghton. So be aware of that if you are traveling towards the west tonight and throughout the day tomorrow, as that lake effect snow machine is really beginning to crank up, and it's really going to be here to stay for the rest of the week and even into the weekend. So we're going to see a bit more of that cold air spilling in throughout the eastern half of the country. This is actually expected to make its way into parts of Florida by the time we get towards the weekend. And it's just really going to dominate. It's a really strong cold air mass, because we're actually going to see temperatures throughout even the southern half of the country about a good 10 degrees below average. So yes, it's not just a Michigan thing. It's even making its way into the Gulf Coast. So for us here, though, it's all about that lake effect. We'll actually see a new disturbance come in on Friday, and that's really going to increase those snow chances. But in the meantime, we'll keep it around 20 to 30%. For tonight, though, 15 degrees, isolated snow showers, but that winds out of the west at 20 to 25 miles per hour, making it feel more like into those single digits. It's all about those layers for tomorrow. No relaxation in the wind department. 25 degrees in Iron Mountain, 24 in Houghton. Scattered snow showers with a good amount of cloudy skies. Maybe a little bit of sunshine tries to sneak in. And that's how it's pretty much going to be the calling card all the way through Monday.